Boyue is back again. 2020 was not Boyue's year. They moved their facility, they just didn't release a lot of stuff. They didn't release anything actually. And then 2021 rolled around and they released 3 units. The P6, the P10, and now this, the P78. Now the downside about this device is that 2 devices became discontinued in the process. The Muses and the Elita are now both gone. So we'll just have to live with that. But they are moving towards a more simplistic budget approach rather than a high-end premium feel. And this is with the P line. 78, the P6, and B10 all respectively refer to the screen size. Now this is already pre-opened because it is a review sample. We haven't opened it. So here's the quick start guide, which they call the quick star guide, and it does look like they have a trans flash, a mic, USB-C, status indicator, and we'll look at all that when we show you the unit, but that always waits till the very end. We're going to put that off to the side for now. So looking in the box, there is no stylus, but it does have a little SIM card removal tool that is used to remove the SD card or the trans flash. And you have your USB-C port cable. Now, we're not too worried that it doesn't have a stylus because the P10 didn't have a stylus in the box either. It was actually separate. So we're just going to go ahead and put that off to the side and explore the unit right here. Remove the little plastic thingy, and we have a flush screen and bezel design with a blue two-tone color, which pretty much all the devices from the new P line have. Nothing on the left side. On the right side we have that trans flash port. On the top you have the power button, and on the bottom you have the speakers with a USB-C and a microphone and a status indicator light. So that's all very nice. Now we do have a P10 stylus prepped in preparation of this potentially working or not, and we have a Wacom stylus as well to see if this has any note-taking capabilities. So we will use our finger to show that it does work. I press settings, I go back, I press home, that all works. Okay, now we're going to try the Wacom stylus. It does not seem to work with Wacom. Alright, we have a P10 stylus here, which is always bundled separately, and I will show you that there is indeed a AAA battery in the back. Yes, this is not a Wacom stylus, this is a proprietary active digitizer pen, so it's just Boyue's technology. Does not seem to work, and if I'm looking at it correctly, there doesn't seem to be any note-taking application preloaded on the home screen at least. Now we will have to follow up with Boyue to see if there is indeed maybe a software lock or something in the developer options, because there doesn't seem to be any note-taking, which is strange because the P10 had note-taking, which was a fantastic deal because it didn't have to abide by the Wacom licensing, so it was actually cheaper. And the P6 was a budget 6-inch that was like $130, so I hope this has note-taking, but at first looks it does not seem to function at all with the pen that at least they made. We will get an answer before we do the full review, but for now this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new 2021 Boyue P78 Likebook. They are moving towards a more price-efficient brand rather than a super high-end, unattainable brand. We have seen prices raised by other manufacturers, and this is Boyue's strategy to have their items more accessible to people. For GoodyReader.com and an unboxing of the Boyue P78, this is Peter.